Recently, your country suffered the embarrassment of a presidential impeachment. And what was the outcome of this? Nothing. Because that is what happens when Americans try to do anything. Your leaders are nothing. You are an insignificant nobody. So the outcome of anything will always be nothing. But on April 18th, at Millington Mayhem 7, something will happen. But it will be because of Norman Meklakov. The most powerful man in the ring is coming. I'm not coming to save you. I'm coming to destroy you. And with the power of Russia, Norman Meklakov will make America great. До свидания.